Greetings, my name is Kudakwashe from Zimbabwe, and today I just want to show you how to buy advertising packs in My Paying Ads. As you can see, the homepage says advertise and get paid. So from the changes that been happening on the relaunch, this website is actually new, and I have managed to buy my ad packs, and I just want to show you how you can do the same. So first thing you're going to do is log into your account, and you want to click where it says here buy ad pack, or you can click here where it says purchase ad pack. It's just one and the same thing. So when you click the buy ad pack here, if you click the buy ad pack button, it's going to open up. So remember what I said when I said it's advertise and get paid. So the first thing that you want to do is to set up a banner so that you can actually buy your ad pack. And here you want to select on the drop down menu, there is 125 by 125. You want to click here and select the 468 by 60. And I understand some of you guys don't have anything to advertise, but the idea here is to advertise and then get paid. So if you don't have anything to advertise, I recommend you go onto this section where it says promo tools, and then you just click on this button that is got promotional banners. And then when you see these promotional banners, as you can see, this is the 468 by 60 banner for My Paying Ads. So what you want to do here is click to show the code. Did you see that? If I move my mouse here, it says click to show the code. And then what you want to do here is where it says banner URL, you want to copy this, okay? And then you have to put it on where it says banner URL, okay? And then destination URL, in this case again, you can actually take your referral link. This is actually my referral link for My Paying Ads, and then I can just paste it there. And then I can just paste my link there. And then here on the title, I recommend that you use keywords that are searched on Google, because you can be ranked again for this advert. Normally people, they search for My Paying Ads review. If you do that, you're going to get chances of getting ranked on Google. So I noticed that recently. So after you fill in your details here, you need to click the add new button. So in this case, I'm not going to be advertising My Paying Ads, but instead I'm going to be advertising something different. I'm a member of BitClub, and so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to where it says banners, and then I'm going to select again the 468 by 60. It's actually and then I can select this banner. So as I copy this information, remember, as I copy this information, I want to put it on a text document so that I can select what I need to select. And you need to see where it says .gif, it's like .gif, or you can have .jpeg there. So I need to highlight here. This is actually my banner URL, and then I copy that. I come back to My Paying Ads, and then on the banner URL, this is what I need to replace, because I don't want to advertise My Paying Ads inside My Paying Ads. I need to advertise something different. And then here I need to put, as you can see, there is preview of the banner, and then here I want to say BitClub. Okay, I want to say okay, BitClub network review. That's the title. It doesn't matter, it could be anything. And then the destination URL here, I need to put my BitClub URL. And then what I do here is I go on promotions, and then maybe I can go on website, personal websites. I need to put a landing page there. And then on the personal websites, there is the landing page number 1. And what I want to do here is I want to copy this, because that is my referral link for BitClub. And then I'm gonna put my URL here, and then I'll click on the add new. So this is the first step that you need to take to put your banner up before you purchase advertising packages. So again, if you click on purchase advertising packages, okay, so as you can see here, I've got two advertising packages. I tried for the first time, and then I advertised my paying ads and my paying ads. So I was doing a that try and error thing. So it went well, and then this is actually pending. It simply means that I've placed my banner, and the next thing now I need to pay for my advert, so that when other people are doing their daily clicks, your advert also can be clicked. So here you just click on the buy adverts. When you click on the buy adverts, you need to select the plan that you want, and according to my paying ads, you need to have at least 100 here. I'm not really sure about that, but I'm gonna buy plan 1 here and then say purchase. And then now what I want to do is, on plan 1 I need to select if I have cash balance, if I have repurchase balance. Well, in this case, most of these accounts, they have 0 balances. We know what happened with PayPal, so I'm going to select a processor here, depending with the processor that you're actually using. Some are using Payza, SolidPay Trust, and to pay for you, I am using Bitcoin coin payment. And then here I select the number of packs that I need to purchase. So in this case, I'm going to use 1, or even I can say 100 or even 20, depending on how many you want to buy. So in this case, I'm going to select 1, and then I'm going to say I agree. And once that is done, you click on the pay now button, and then it's going to take you to the third part, processor payments, and then you can actually make the payment. So yeah, that's how you do it. And once that is done, you will do your daily. If you click on the overview here, sometimes when you're using Bitcoins, it might take a little bit of some time. I don't know, with other payment processors it may be instant to get your balance up and running. So now, as you can see, I've already done my ads. I've clicked my ads already, and as you can see, I've got 1 active share there, which simply means it went on successfully. And yeah, that's how you go about it. Again, remember what I said is you advertise first and then you actually get paid. So with that being said, I hope this helps you. Thank you.